Okay, here's another example finding the area of this irregular shape. So how do we find the area of the space shaded in the blue? Take the outer area, the area of a square, and subtract the inner area, which is the area of a triangle. So let's get started. So we have the square here. So we know that the area of the square is going to be equals to length times width. Well, the length is 15, the width is 15, so we got 15 times 15, which is equal to 225 feet square. What about the area of a triangle? Well, the area of a triangle is going to be equal to 1/2 multiply the base, which is 10, the entire base, multiplied by the height. Now, when we talk about the height of a triangle, we talk about the vertical height, not the slanted height. Okay, so just an FYI. So the height is going to be 7. Well, 10 times 7 is 70. 70 times 1/2 is going to be 70 over 2. But 70 divided by 2 is going to be 35. So we got 35 feet square. So the area in blue, capital A subscript in blue, is going to be the area of the bigger shape, the square, subtract the area of the smaller shape, or the inner shape, the triangle. So we take area square, subtract area triangle. Well, this is going to be 225, subtract 35. Well, let's see, this is going to be 0. 2 is less than 3, so borrow 1 from the left. So we got 12 minus 3, which is going to be 9. Return to 1. 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. So 190 feet square is the area of the space shaded in the blue.